Hello, welcome to OMICRON Customer Care Center in Klaus, Austria. My name is Alexander Herrera. I am an application engineer on rotating machines, and I want to show you how to perform withstand voltage measurements on rotating machines. In rotating machines, insulation is exposed to electrical, thermal, and mechanical stress. A withstand voltage test verifies that the insulation system can safely tolerate an elevated voltage without breakdown. Here, a controlled AC test is applied to the stator winding using the CPC 100 together with the TD15 and CR 600. The voltage is increased smoothly up to the specified test level and held for a defined duration. The first phase is ready for start with the measurements, so what I have to do now is unground this phase. The high voltage cable is already connected to the first phase, so we can start with the measurement. With a minimum change in this setup, you can continue with partial discharge measurements and dissipation factor tests, saving a considerable amount of time. Now, I want to show you how to assess or how to evaluate the measurements regarding the voltage withstand test. This is a pretty straightforward evaluation. I have applied the voltage phase by phase. According to the standards, there is already a defined voltage that you have to apply. In this case, the maximum test voltage was 13.8 kV. So I applied a stable voltage of 500 volts for 10 seconds, as we can see here in this table. Then the next step was to apply the 13.8 kV for 60 seconds. And if nothing is happening, I mean, if there is not a breakdown, if the measurement stays constant, it means that the test is successful. As I said, this is pretty straightforward and easy to do and to assess. Additionally, we can use as well the MPD Suite software if we want to have like a graphical evaluation. As we can see here in this chart, the voltage is increasing with a defined step level, and then suddenly the voltage drops down, and this was a clear indication that it was a breakdown on this machine. As a summary, I can say that we apply a voltage for a certain time. If the voltage is stable, the test is considered as successful. Otherwise, the test failed. Thank you for watching our video.